Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic, and today is giveaway time. That's right. Our guys over at Monthly Knife Club have hooked us up with some knives for review, and you know how I do it. I'm too lazy. I ain't got time to do a review, so what am I going to do? I'm going to give you a chance to win it. That's right. You get to review if you win it. That's right. That's how we do things around here. Now, Monthly Knife Club, they have been an awesome friend to the channel. I received one of their boxes from them that I pay for. And if you are interested, you can go into the channel and type Monthly Knife Club, and you can watch those videos if you haven't seen them already. If you want to check their service out, which I highly suggest you do, in the description box of this video, I have their website. Kind of, it's one of the first things in there. It says best subscription club, knife subscription club out there. And there's a link down there you can click. They've got, if you just want knives, they've got you covered. They got a box for that. And if you want a knife and some gear, they got a box for that as well. And like I said, they're really awesome, really, really awesome guys over there. They reached out to me a while back and, they said, can we send you some knives over to review? And, instead of reviewing them, I give you a chance to win them, so you can review them. And this is what they sent, this knife right here. This is a Revo knife. It is, like I said, again, courtesy of the wonderful, wonderful folks over at Monthly Knife Club. So you should definitely hashtag Monthly Knife Club, shout them out. Let them know that, we appreciate them, and I definitely appreciate them for sending me these knives every month that I get a chance to give away to one of you. So, this knife that we're talking about here, this is from their Tier 2 name brand knife. It is a Revo knife. And let's see, this knife carries a value of around 66 bucks to around 95 bucks, depending on where you can find it, if there's on sale, all that kind of stuff. But we are going to get into this knife. And yeah, this is, it's interesting for me because they gave me the knives. They send me out some of the, I guess, the overstock, right? And I could keep these knives, but I really do like giving you guys a chance to take home one of these knives. And I've given away a lot of knives. I think at last count, I'm at around a dozen or 13, something like that. A lot. We've given away a lot of knives. And that just makes me appreciate Monthly Knife Club that much more when I see how much, they've done for us as a little community here. And this knife is really, really nice. It has this nice blue scales on it that look kind of worn, I like it. I really do like it. It looks really, really nice. And it does have a reversible clip. So if you need that, it's there for you. Got a little flipper tab here. Flips out really, really nice. This is the Nessmuck style blade. It is stone washed. It's a drop point style blade. Looks really, really good. And the texturing of these scales, well, you can see it has kind of a little fall off there. And I really like that because, most knives that, the grips will be straight, right? Well, your hand's not straight. Like if you make a, if you fold a grip in, it does have kind of a little bit of an angle to it. And to me, when you have a knife like this that has that, we do have a choil here with some texturing on it for your index. It does have a liner lock, but when you put your finger in the choil and you go into it, that swoop up, it fits in your grip really comfortable, and it's just enough. I love it. I don't know how you're going to feel about it because, like I said, I don't know. Everybody's different. Everybody's hands are different. But I think this is a really, really perfect setup for a knife. The only thing if I'm going to levy any criticism, is up here, it's completely naked, meaning there's no texturing, there's no jimping, there's nothing up here. It's completely just flat. Hopefully you can see that. There's nothing up there. So when you get in your grip, technically, this shelf right here, your thumb lays in it. Instead of having a pad for your thumb to rest in, your thumb kind of sits into it. So now that I'm kind of messing with it, you probably don't need the texturing. You don't need the jimping. Yeah, I'm gonna say you probably don't need it. Okay. Now this is a 14C28N stainless steel for the blade. This is going to be a Sandvik, a Swedish Sandvik steel. Now, like I said, it does have a liner lock, reversible clip, does have a lashing hole there on the tail. Not too, it is wide. It's got some width to it, but it still fit fine. I don't think you're gonna have an issue. And like I said, this is a Revo knife. We are rocking a 4.80 ounce weight, a 3.6 blade length, and overall of 8 inches, and it deploys buttery smooth. So yeah, and it is micarta scales. Okay, so this is what we're rocking with, this knife right here. This is what's on the deck. It's on the deck to give away a beautiful blue colored micarta handled Revo knife, Ness Revision 2. So this is an updated version of the Revo Ness. So this is the better one. This is the upgraded. This is the version 2. Much better than the version 1, I guess. Okay, so that's what we got. And this is, like I said, again, courtesy of the fine folks over at Monthly Knife Club. We love those guys. Now, how do I get this? Well, before we get into that, let's go over all the boring stuff. This is not sponsored by Monthly Knife Club nor YouTube. Monthly Knife Club has provided these knives to me for review. Instead of reviewing them, I've decided to give them away to one of you to let you review it. That is on me, nobody else. Please be a U.S. resident because this is a knife. I don't want to have any issues sending the knife overseas. I greatly, humbly apologize for that. I know I've got viewers that are in other parts of the world, and I appreciate all of you guys. I really do. But please be in the U.S. and please be 18 over because this is a knife, after all. Don't want to have no problems. Second thing, beware of scammers in the comment section because once you put giveaway in the title or anything, the scammers will show up trying to scam you by telling you that you've won, that I'm trapped in some third world country and I've lost my passport and I need you to send me some money. No, I don't have Telegram. I'm not going to reply to any comments. So once you comment on this video for a chance to win this knife, just know that when this giveaway ends, which is going to be on February 18th, that Sunday, February 18th at 6 p.m. Central Time. That's the only time I will reply to a comment, and it's going to be, congratulations, you've won. I'm not going to tell you to go to no other website. I'm not going to tell you to do anything. What I'm going to tell you to do is to contact me at bradsjourneybusiness@gmail.com because you've won. Not going to tell you to send no cash apps, nothing like that. Don't worry about that. Now, how do you get entered? All you got to do is just go in the comment section of this video, obviously. Don't spam, just give me one comment because my comment picker is only going to pick one comment from an account. So don't spam comments, just give me one comment. And just let me know, just give me a hashtag Monthly Knife Club. And if you have any experience with this Revo, either the brand of knife Revo or this particular Ness model. So if you have any experience with Revo knives or the Ness model, maybe you have the version 1, right? How awesome would that be if you had the version 1 and you won this and then you have the version 2? So that'd be really cool. So again, go to the comment section of this video and type in hashtag Monthly Knife Club and just let me know. You can add whatever you want, but just tell me, if you have any experience with Revo knives, if it's been good. Hopefully it's been good. Hopefully your experience has been good. All right. That's all you gotta do. And I know a lot of you have already clicked off. You're in the comment section, going hashtag Monthly Knife Club. And you can thank them as well. That would be much appreciated. I'm pretty sure the good folks over at Monthly Knife Club would love hearing that, we do have a supportive community here for their company and their brand. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. Other than that, how you like my shirt, man? Rocking some Mario Kart. Got my little beanie, my Super Mario. He's up there doing some fighting with Bowser. And then down here, he's driving his go-kart. All right, so good luck to everybody. And remember, it ends Sunday, February 18th at 6 p.m. Central Time. And good luck to everybody. And I will see you back Sunday. Well, I'm going to see you before then because I got a lot of videos to do. But I will announce it Sunday sharply at 6 p.m. I will draw the winner. So don't look for no comments until that time. And again, good luck to all of you. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.